Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your YouTube videos aren't getting clicks anymore, don't worry, you are not alone. Let's just break that down, the real reasons and how you can fix them. So the first reason would be your thumbnail. If your thumbnail looks plain, crowded or unclear, people just scroll past. The strong thumbnail with the bold text and a clear image grab the attention instantly. The second thing can be the title. So if your title is too long, too generic, or don't speak the curiosity, viewers won't click on it. The best title are shorter, clearer, and make people curious enough to watch the video. The third thing is competition. Millions of videos are uploaded every single day, so standing out is quite harder than ever. That's why your content needs a strong hook in the first few seconds, not just to get the clicks, but to keep the viewers watching. Finally, it could be the topic that you are choosing. If you are making the videos nobody is searching for, clicks will naturally be low. You can use trending topics and answer the common questions on your niche to bring the viewers in. First of all, you need to fix your thumbnail, sharpen your title, choose the topics wisely, and hook the viewers fast. Do this and your clicks will start coming back. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.